Alright, gather round folks. Ever fumbled with a dead laptop right when you needed it the most? Enter the Traenvir 100W power delivery USB-C charger. Bam! This powerhouse is like having a pint-sized energy station in your pocket. It's your trusty sidekick for when you're jet-setting across the globe or just chilling at a cafe. Plug it in. Pow! Instantly harness the magic of 110 volts or 120 volts. No bulky bricks, just streamlined charging gold. Got a power-hungry MacBook or a Windows laptop that sips energy by the megawatt? No worries, Traenvir's got your back. Your USB-C devices will think it's their birthday with this charger's whopping 100 OS power delivery. Laptops, iPads, even demanding tablets all juiced up in a flash. Seriously, 100W is like the Ferrari of chargers. Fast and uber efficient, it gets your device to 100% in no time. Plus, it's Whatwise certified for Mac compatibility, pretty much VIP access in the charging world. No compatibility hiccups here. Traveling? This charger is your passport to uninterrupted power anywhere. Office, hotel, or on the move, it's got you covered. And no multi-port madness here. Just solid, dedicated power where it matters most. Simplicity is bliss. Got tech-savvy business moves to make? This charger ensures there are no battery mishaps in your big meeting. So why wait? The road to seamless charging starts here. Click the link in the description and power up your life.